The composting microbial community is more pH sensitive than most growers realize, and pH correction applied without understanding the sensitivity of the organisms you are trying to support will frequently solve the pH problem while simultaneously disrupting the biological activity that makes composting work. This is the specific failure mode that makes pH adjustment in a compost pile more nuanced than pH adjustment in a garden bed, and understanding it changes how the correction is approached. Compost microbiology is a community of organisms with overlapping but distinct pH preferences across the different stages of decomposition. The acid-tolerant bacteria and fungi that dominate early decomposition are different populations from the neutral pH-preferring bacteria that drive the active hot composting phase, which are different again from the neutral to slightly alkaline-preferring actinomycetes that produce the earthy smell of finished compost and represent the final maturation stage. Rapid pH adjustment toward the alkaline end of the scale, achieved by adding large quantities of lime or wood ash at once, eliminates the acid-tolerant populations and potentially overshoots the neutral zone, creating alkaline conditions that suppress the neutral-preferring organisms just as effectively as the acidity that was being corrected. The correction approach that preserves microbial community integrity is gradual and incremental. Rather than targeting a specific pH endpoint and applying enough material to reach it in a single application, the effective approach is applying small quantities of pH-raising material, allowing several days for the pile's biological activity to equilibrate to the change, measuring again, and repeating until the target range is approached gradually. The target for active composting is 6.0 to 7.0, not the full neutral range of 7.0 that might be the ultimate goal for the finished compost, but the slightly acidic range where the broadest community of composting organisms functions well without the abrupt alkalinity shock that overshooting creates. Garden lime, calcium carbonate, is the pH amendment that raises soil and compost pH most gently and most reversibly, with a buffering capacity that prevents pH overshoot rather than driving it sharply alkaline the way quicklime or wood ash can. The perfect plant's garden lime soil amendment, calcium carbonate rich, 2-quart 6-pound container, for garden, lawn, and potted plants, addresses compost acidity specifically because its slow-release calcium carbonate dissolution matches the gradual pH shift that preserves microbial community integrity better than fast-reacting alkaline amendments. Working lime into an acidic pile a cup at a time, with measurement between applications, produces the gradual pH shift that moves the pile from unproductive acid conditions toward the neutral zone where the full composting microbial community functions without eliminating the populations that built the activity the pile has already generated. This is the correction method that fixes pH without the biological disruption that a single large lime application creates. The link is in the description. For a pile that has gone acidic from citrus or coffee grounds overloading, the lime approach combined with the addition of alkaline brown materials, cardboard, dry leaves, straw, produces both the pH correction and the carbon ratio adjustment that acidic piles typically need simultaneously, since high acid input materials are usually also high in nitrogen. And correcting the acid imbalance by adding both lime and carbon-rich browns addresses both the pH and the carbon-to-nitrogen ratio in a single management action. Subscribe to Hydrohaven. The product links are in the description. See you in the next one.